What's up guys, my name is Nelson and welcome back to my YouTube channel Beat on Kid. So today is 18 July and the time is 2:45 in the afternoon. It's raining outside. Oh well, it stopped right now. And yeah, so we came back on 15th. That was on Saturday. From Delhi, we completed the entire circuit. First we went from Mumbai to Gurgaon to Manali, then Manali to Sarchu to Leh, then we explored Ladakh region. Then the Manali thing happened, the cloudburst and the flash floods. Then there was a landslide in Jammu Kashmir highway, which caused a lot of problem for us because we were traveling by road. So what we decided was, first we had a plan that we will go back to Manali, and then from Manali we'll come back to Gurgaon and then take a flight back to Mumbai. But then due to the floods, we had to go to Srinagar. We stayed in Srinagar for one night. Then there was a lot of trouble. Luckily we got out of Srinagar. It took us 24 hours to reach Amritsar from Srinagar. Just imagine, 24 hours. And then yeah, now we are back. I was supposed to upload videos us traveling from Gurgaon to Manali and the rest, but then due to some reason I'm not able to find the videos that I had captured, and some of them are corrupted. So I'm working on that. And let's see, today, since it's raining, we have planned to make momos. So yeah, that's why I'm shooting this. So I'll catch you up. So right now everyone is resting. As I said, it's like in the afternoon and all the preparation will start in the evening. I'll show you what all we have bought from Stabzar. Here's the chicken keema. Yes.
What?
We're in vlog.
Wow. Nike on and all that.
I'll vlog today.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hi.
That's my mom, who's going to make momos. And that's me, who's going to eat momos.
This is Cuckoo.
That's my dad, who's gonna help my mom to make momos.
Hi.
Helper.
And one more helper?
Daddy's helper.
My
One more helper is there on the bed. She's working from home. And
This is mommy's little bird. Make his bird.
yeah, you want momos? You want momo? Even he wants momos.
Onion leaf. This portion, put it with onion, and this portion you throw it away.
Totally.
And this is chop
Chop
it
it up in
with
small
knife,
pieces. Knife.
not with
I
chop up,
know.
not
Okay.
with cut up.
Okay. And this one?
First cut the cabbage,
Peel it in that. Chop it up in that.
chop it in that, and put it in this,
This.
and soak it in the salt
After cut myself and put it where?
on your head.
It's all the onions.
So
What do you do with all the
momo
onions?
process is started. It's going to be 5:30
What?
in the evening.
They look this side. How many onions to cut?
Understand. Good. अभी कुछ नहीं बन रहा है. There is no use of
हाँ,
recording now. Record later when I will come to the kitchen.
Oh really?
धस धस के चलो मेकअप उकअप कर
अरे.
What are you doing? It's taking out water from cabbage. This is only for 4 people.
That's it. That's it. My God, they eat like pig.
That's me.
See my size and see the
Yeah.
quantity.
See my size, see the quantity. It's less.
Now left is chicken to add.
This is the chicken. It'll be added, then it'll be mixed. Maida is not ready yet.
Ready maida.
Maida is ready.
Ah, maida is ready.
Acha, maida is also ready. So I'll show the further
Dek-
process.
Chef and sushi. The
देखो
chapta I
देखो
will-
प्रोसेस
chapta-
चालू हो गया.
Chapta I will do it.
मोमो का मसाला रेडी. मैदा रेडी. Both of them also ready.
Don't show my face.
My God. ले.
और ज़्यादा कर
देखा दिया अब ले ले ऐसे जूम इन जूम आउट जूम इन जूम
ज़्यादा
आउट.
कर
अभी नेक्स्ट हम मिलेंगे जब मोमो रेडी होएगा. टिल देन बाय. See the salsa. Physical.
नहीं.
जब मोमो रेडी होएगा तब मैं दिखाता हूँ. Finally, the momo is ready. Let's see. Wait.
Not that, not that. There,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
all.
I know, I know. Acha, it's already transferred.
Yeah.
Ooh la la. Check this out.
Plate and then no.
Mm. Yes, I like it. Let me take it in plate. Where's the chutney gone? Finally, momos are served. I'm gonna taste now. My dad's watching some movie of his own time. He's sitting over here. And I am going to taste some momos. Okay, the light is less. So let me turn the light. It's so confusing. Oh yeah. Yummy. So this is a homemade chutney which my mom made. It's the size of a momo. So there's always difference between restaurant momos and homemade momos.
No, he is a cheat. He was going to Canyon del Lord. We'll bury him there.
You crazy? You know how bad it's gonna stink by the time we get there?
It's really yum. देखो देखो मोमो देखो. Another one.
Of course. It's a cheat. Must be very bad. I should have thought of it myself.
Amazing, mommy.
Thank you.
Still more. Still cooking. More getting ready. More masala left. I'm done with my dinner. It's currently 11:40 at night. So yeah, my mom made yummy momos. I uploaded some stories on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram ID down below here. So yeah, that's it today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and do share my videos. Till then, ciao.